Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to schedule a sale on Shopify or how to schedule price change on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select discounts. After selecting discounts, you're going to tap on create new discount. So you're going to tap on create discount. Then you're going to tap on amount of products. Once you have done this, you're going to tap on automatic discount at the top. Then you can give it a title and keep in mind that this title will be visible to customers in their cart and checkout. So for example, I'll just say discount for example's sake. Then from there you can choose the percentage that you like to give off or the fixed amount that you like to give off. So we'll be giving 15% off. Then you can choose whether it is of a specific collection or specific products. You can select any one of these options. So for example, I'm going to select specific products. Then you're just going to tap on browse. And from there, you can select the product or products that you would like to offer the discount on. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down. And if you offer POS purchase, point of sale purchase, you can also choose whether you like to make it available also in that. And you can choose whether you like to set a minimum purchase amount or a minimum quantity of items that persons will need to purchase before they'll be able to get the discount. And you can also choose whether you'd like to allow the discount to be combined with other discounts. So for example, let's say I'm offering free shipping also. If you would like to not offer free shipping with this product since you're giving it a discount, you can leave it as is. But if you like customers to still be able to get shipping discounts and so on, you can select it. Now to schedule it, you'll simply tap on start date. Then from there you could select the date and you can also select the time right here that you would like it to start. After you have done that, so let's say for example I were to select the 11th right there. After you have done that, you can set end date and then you could scroll down and you can select the date that you would like it to start and the date that you would like it to end. So I'm just going to leave it as is. So I'll leave it right there. Then once you're finished, you're going to tap on save discount in the bottom right hand corner. So let me scroll back up and set the minimum purchase amount. I'm just going to set it at $1. Then we're going to tap on save discount in the bottom right hand corner. Now that we have saved the discount, whenever a customer goes onto our store in that allotted time that you have set and purchase or goes to purchase this product, they'll realize that an automatic discount has been added. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.